Good morning, Mr. Magpie. Up on that gravel slope. A little Radiohead here, reference there for you. So yeah, I still need to look up why Barcelona has so many chimneys scattered throughout the city. Yeah, you come across quite a few. Not 100% sure what they used to do. Got to keep an eye out for dog caca. Yeah, that motorway, that direction goes to the airport. We're not far at all. Quite surprised there's been no aeroplanes up ahead. Oh, and there's a random drop here. Oh, looks like there's an entrance gate over there. But I want to go this way towards where the church is in front of me. That's Prat town. I've got some, just staying at a hostel tonight as I fly out tomorrow. Interesting plant. You could say it almost looks like the COVID graphic icon.